Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm testing this beautiful Jura XJ9 J9, and let's go ahead and make a cappuccino. We're not going to use milk because it makes the machine all dirty again. We'll just suck the water, show that it's sucking. Oh, you gotta put it over here. See, it sucks the water. I'll turn it to steam. Looks like it works the best in the middle. Looks like there's a 36-second pause programmed in. So yeah, this is a good Jura machine, and a lot of small offices often have this machine. Here we go with the coffee. Looking good. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.